Good morning, YouTube. Now I got my sunshine. We're gonna go grab some tea. I need some ice cold tea that will wake me up. We're gonna make some cool iced tea. I know I watched too many K-dramas because I got swayed to buy this fresh ginseng. It's just too expensive. This is a tablespoon and a half. Just sugar and lemon. Gonna get my ginseng tea. Water, mix it up. Definitely a great pick-me-up alternative. Nice. Very nice. It's very refreshing. And I feel energized. To be honest, for me, coffee doesn't wake me up anymore. I just love coffee. Like, I love the smell of the roasted beans. I love, especially when like the coffee is freshly brewed. You get the first cup and you get a whiff of that aroma of the coffee. So I was trying other alternatives and I've been slowly cutting down on coffee, so I've been trying to do more tea. You always see that one scene where they're tired and then they have ginseng and then all of a sudden they got energy. So I'm like, kind of curious to try it. And it's really good, to be honest. So definitely a great pick-me-up. Another thing that I love is this like yuzu honey tea. This is very delicious. You can also make this, to be honest. Slice up some yuzu, add some honey and some sugar, let it sit out, and then it becomes this nice syrup. You can do with any fruit, really. Sometimes, you know, I do strawberry. So I got a new package today. It arrived in the mail. I ordered this actually from Rokael Beauty. I got some lip liners. Ooh. So I got like 3 different lip liners from Rokael Beauty. So yeah, I got 3 different, like, they're all browns, but they're giving you different feel. Like, first of all, look at the packaging. It's just beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Looks so fancy, actually. Lift up. The other side just has like some of the arts. It's a lip shader, so it's not a lip liner, it's a lip shader. The side that says lifted up, so lifted up is the color. Oh my god. Dumb moments. Okay, so we're gonna just open that and look at it. So it's kind of angular, which is perfect for lip lining. And then the other end has your brush. Look at that brush. Actually, it looks like a little toothbrush. But I like it. I like that it's an actual, like, proper brush. Let's try this color. Lifted up. I love a good lip liner. Oh, this is like perfect, like every day. And what I like about it is, yeah, it's really giving. It's really showing up, right? Oh, I love it. It's just very subtle, but there is a difference. There's like a payoff. Let's try it with let's fluff it a bit with the brush. I believe the brush is to clean out the but I tend to like to buffer my liner with it. I am now intrigued to try the rest. We're just gonna wipe this off. Oh, I'm really sad. Try our next color, Silhouette. I've got like so many. For me, a good lip liner, it's the lips that elevates the look. I really love the packaging. I think it's just so chic, so fabulous. There's our brush end. So the name is on the brush end. Color, Cool Chocolate. Actually, Silhouette looks warmer. This one's really subtle. This gives like a nice plumped look. I'm gonna overline a little. You know what? I want to try this with a little bit of pink gloss, like a little pink gloss. Okay, like this works. Really, I would just wear this alone, day-to-day shade. I'm gonna use this one, this Glasting Color Gloss from Roman. Bit of lip gloss action here in the center. It just looks so juicy, the lips. You know, I love this. I love the lip liner. I love it. Oh. I gotta wipe it for the next one. Rokael knew what he was talking about. He really did. It's interesting. Each one did give obviously different look, you know, because when you look online and you're like trying to buy these, to me it looked all brown, you know. There's the brush. I just really love the brush, actually. That's a really good bristle brush. Well, let's see how it looks. It really is very subtle. Like it looks very subtle. Looks actually kind of cool. It looks very subtle. It's just making so much of a difference, actually. It's so subtle, and it's like it glides. It's so smooth. I forget how much they cost, but it wasn't the craziest prices I've seen for lip liners. I've seen prices that are similar in Sephora. Color my whole lips with this. So we're gonna keep doing it. The last one, the Silky. I'm gonna use the Gloss Bomb from Fenty. Hot Chocolate, I believe. Yeah, Hot Chocolate. Ooh. Yeah, it's giving very 90s. This is definitely gonna be used on the daily. I already did my face, just a little bit. Used the L'Oreal Skin Ink as my concealer and foundation. I just used this thin brush. I need to clean it. You can see I just used it last. Because what I like about this brush, actually, they're very affordable. You can find it on Amazon. For my eyes, I'm gonna use the Coffee Shop from Juvia's Place. Probably I'll get into the gold. So I'm gonna first take the dark brown. Okay, that will be like my liner. Pick up like a thin angled brush. Take a little fluffy brush. Take some of this brown here. Pat, pat. Get into the corners. Pat. I'm just gonna buff it. We're gonna get a flat brush. The gold. Get that into the. This makes me pop. So we just lined only like half of our eyelid because I want it to look bigger. Growing up for me, makeup was like I need makeup because I always felt like, oh, I didn't look pretty, so I needed to always have makeup on. I always had to like cover my face. Now I have a more healthier relationship with makeup. Because everybody went through that emo phase. Now what's great is that you have so many people. You're not alone in anything you feel. I think we're done with my eye look. I'm always simplistic. I'm like simple. I'm simple but glam. It's like I was telling my sister the other day, I'm a minimalist maximalist. So we're going to take our NYX Buttermelt blush. Actually love these blushes. I have so many blushes, but my favorite is the NYX. Each one gives you a different look. It's like when I want my makeup to last me all day, I do all of my liquid, like I underpaint with my liquid blush, bronzer, liquid bronzer, but I'm trying to go with a little bit more of a soft glam look today. So just gonna take this blush brush, go over it. These swats, we're going to go up. Trying to go up with my little on the nose. It's fine. You can take your brush here. It's okay if you put a little too much product. You can always move it down because it gives you a nice little flush of color. Oh my god! think we're gonna complete our look. Why not? Okay, so I got this jacket. So like a long overcoat, great for the summer. We're gonna add some shoes. I've got these cute little shoes I got from Shein a few years ago. I think to me, it's always about how it looks. I like particular pieces, like something from Shein. I'm like, oh my God, that's so cute. And for our bag, so I got this cute bag from Malloy, Turkish brand. This bag is called Stormy. I used to always look at this brand actually. I fell in love with this bag. It comes with like 2 different straps actually. It comes with this like leather strap, or you can use this chain strap as well. But be careful with these chain straps. They're beautiful. They can break. This brand, first of all, hands down, one of the best customer service. They were really amazing and helped me out and they replaced it for me. I was literally crying when it broke. I was like, ah! When you look at this design, you're like, this is how the bags of the future should look like. Look at those shoes. These shoes are very cute and they're very comfortable actually, which is surprising from shoes from Shein. But honestly, when I always shop from Shein, I have to look through reviews, look through the materials, how I assess how it might look when it arrives. And then I added this bag. Like, look at the bag. It's just so chic. Almost forgot. Earrings. These earrings. Again, another Shein find. At this point, everybody's just gonna tell me, are you literally always on Shein or Yes Style? Actually, not that much. Not really. I just look for a specific look. You know, I always do like take a picture of something and then reverse search it on Google Images. My bag, especially my bag collection, is like, yes, fashion. It's not really an investment. I believe when someone tells you it's an investment, I'm like, not all bags. Some of the collections, if it's a highlight collection, Dior, I guess maybe the Lady Dior might sell back for the same money. Also, depending on the condition. The saddle, I think when there was a resurgence recently, Louis Vuitton, like specific capsule collections like the Murakami collection or the Sprouse collection, those ones went up price definitely compared to how much it originally cost. So it's like understanding which bags are investments. If you like a specific design and you're like, I like this bag, this specific design, it's not really an investment, I just love this bag, you're purchasing it out of fashion reasons. You can still sell it for something. I mean, if I buy a replica Speedy, because these replicas are not necessarily cheap. I've seen some really good fakes when I went to Turkey and I'm like, it's not necessarily cheap. They're selling it for you for like a bag that originally cost maybe 5,000 euros. They're selling it to you for 1,000 euros. I'm like, 1,000 euros is not cheap. It's like, it's still a lot of money. So when you're buying this dupe for 1,000 euros and then you're like, okay, you know, I'm over it. It was hot for the summer. Now I'm over it. Now I want to sell it back. You can't sell it back for 20 euros. You can't sell it back. You can't sell it back for $10, $5, because nobody cares about it. It's like a dupe, you know. So I'm like, to each his own, you know. At the end of the day, fashion is about expression and express yourself. I really love when people are like expressive with their fashion and they try out new things and they're interesting. I love that individualistic. I believe everybody is slowly leaning into that uniform fashion. I think with quiet luxury that became really popular and I'm like, it's kind of sad to be honest, but you know, everybody, I get it, everybody wants to look good and you're like, okay, so this standardized look would look great on me. I'm the same, but sometimes I try things on because it's fun, you know, fun to try out new things, you know. I'm like, I know this is a questionable look. I mean, I grew up in the capris and the baby doll dress over a t-shirt look. I think I could do anything after that. I think I could do anything after that look. Like, that was the pinnacle of like worst look, you know. 2010s, early 2000s till the 2010s. 2007 with the emo look. Oh my god. I can still remember the the blue, purple, pink skinny jeans. Okay, one thing that I'm never gonna do it. You're never gonna see me. You're never gonna be like, ooh, what are you in skinny jeans? No, never gonna do skinny jeans. I'm over skinny jeans, that's it. Anything else, I might try again. Skinny jeans is a no-no. It's a no-no for me. I think it's like, no. First of all, not flattering, not comfortable. It's just like, it's hugging you in all the wrong place. I can't do skinny jeans. So yeah, that's a no-no for me. Anyway, that's it for my look. All right, it got you. Almost forgot. Got one more tip for you. This is a life-saving tip. I mean, not really life-saving. It's from the extreme. This is to make sure you don't get your makeup on your clothes. This always happened to me. So I bought this from Amazon. I don't know how much is in a bag. I will look it up and I will link it for you. So I bought these from Amazon. They're little mesh face covers, you can see. Okay, you just put it over your face like so. You cover your face and then you put on your jacket or your hoodie or whatever you're wearing. Put on your clothes, take it up, and then you won't get any makeup on your clothes. This always happened to me, so I was like, I need a solution, so I found these. What's great about this is I literally use these up. I reuse it, and when it's like literally dead, I take another one. So I literally had this bag maybe I bought it earlier this year. Yeah, this has been around for over 10 months now, for almost a year now. And I used maybe 2 or 3 already. It's really good. Definitely worth the buy. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. And have a wonderful morning, evening, wherever you are. Till next time. Toodles!